out of glory, I also created sound. And the Lord said that there is a sound of tumult in the nation. There's a sound of a war that's arising in the land. But God said, with the flooding of my light into my people, that I am creating the sound of a roar. And that sound of a roar shall arise out of the anointing, out of the glory. And that sound shall overcome the sound of tumult in the land. For even right now, with the light of revelation and what you see, I am creating simultaneously a new sound. And there is a sound coming up out of the earth, but there's a sound that's penetrating the earth. And I shall cause your sound to penetrate the ground, and there shall be earthquakes, and there shall be signs and wonders in the sky, for I am creating a new light and sound to my body. Lift up your eyes to the hills from whence comes your help. Lift up your voices, for there is light and sight and sound. Let the sound come forth out of the sight that you see.
Shaking some things off that need to be shaken. just shaking some things off that need to be shaken. For all that remains is a kingdom standing. All that remains is a kingdom strong. All that remains is his kingdom standing. All that remains is his kingdom strong. Here comes the awe, the reverence awe. Here comes the awe of the Lord, the awe of the Lord, the maker of heaven, the awe, the awe, the awe, the awe, the mighty awe of the Lord. Whoa, 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 whoa.